Tonight I tell you, the moment man remembers who he is, the shadow loses its power. For memory in the divine sense is not the recall of time gone by, it is the recognition of being. Man has searched every heaven for strength, every book for truth, every man for approval, not knowing the throne was never taken from him. He has prayed for signs, begged for mercy, yet the answer waited in the one who asked. When man remembers that imagining creates reality, he reclaims the crown he cast away. He ceases to plead and begins to command. He speaks not to change the world, but to remind himself that it has already obeyed. This is remembrance, not an act of intellect, but of assumption. To remember is to feel the end as now. Withdraw attention from the evidence of the senses. Turn away from appearances. Lift your sight from the seen to the unseen. Take the wish fulfilled as fact and rest in that state until it feels natural. Do not strain to make it happen. Acknowledge it has happened. That acknowledgement is the throne of memory, the seat of the I am. And as man abides there, the law rushes to clothe his remembrance in form. For nothing is created anew, it is only remembered. All things already are, waiting to be recalled by faith. To remember I am is to awaken from the long sleep of separation. Then man walks through the same world, yet everything answers differently. The same faces, the same places, but the old meaning is gone, for he no longer sees them as cause, but as reflection. He blesses all that once opposed him, for he knows it served his remembering. Therefore practice this sacred art each day. Choose the state you long to express. Enter it in imagination. Feel its reality. Live there until it possesses you. And when you rise from that act, walk as though it were finished, for in truth it is. This is how the Creator remembers himself. To remember is to rise. To imagine is to create. To know I am is to prevail. And from this throne of memory, man rules the world he once feared, until even fear bows and calls him Father.